love me like yeah. You love me like you love me like
Jesus is hot. Alright, what's up kings and queens, what's going on, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Be sure to click on that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That will let you guys know whenever I post a new video. So this video is going to be a collaboration with ELAINE Essentials. I'm going to be doing my daily lock routine, which is 3 simple steps. But a lot of you do not know. I've been getting this question a lot lately, especially on my Instagram, especially if you are new to the lock game. One of the main things is their concerns of unraveling, like should I moisturize or hydrate my hair? I just got my retwist and I don't want to lose my retwist, but my scalp is itchy, my locks are dry. Do I hydrate? And the answer to that is yes. You do want to hydrate. The first step to my daily lock routine is hydration. If you do not hydrate, that can lead to so many other issues that we just do not have time for, like brittleness, breakage. If you don't hydrate your hair, it'll lead to dryness, of course, but those issues cause other problems that sometimes are irreparable, which causes you to have to chop your locks off, repair your locks. It causes frizziness. We just don't got time for that. So hydration, these are a few ingredients or products that I recommend, which is rose water and glycerin. You can get this off of Amazon. I will leave this in the description box below. But if you do not like glycerin is a humectant. It pulls moisture out of the air. If you are in a dry place like mine, sometimes that glycerin can work against you. It can also it can cause stickiness. So if you don't like glycerin, they do have rose water without glycerin. I've been alternating, just wanted to see other rose waters out there, and this is the other one that I've been using. Probably can't see that, but I'll post that in the description box below. This is the other one that I've been using. This one does have glycerin in it, however. And then aloe vera in liquid form. I try to use the best top quality ingredients, so I get mine from Mountain Rose Herbs. Their aloe vera is amazing. It's kind of on the it's a liquid, but it's kind of on the thicker side, which is why I understand why they call it aloe vera gel. This works really well, especially if you combine rose water and aloe vera together. So that's the first step. Now, if you have new locks and you don't want to lose your retwist, or if you have a fresh retwist and you do not want them to unravel, what I suggest is sectioning off your hair like so, and then protecting that base, and that will keep, when you're spraying your hair with whatever water bottle you're using, when you're spraying your locks, it's going to protect that retwist. So all you have to do is just apply it like this, just to the roots. The locks, the end of our locks is the driest part anyway. So you do that, kind of rub your hands through it and make sure that it's nice and hydrated. And then to get to the roots, all you have to do is just apply a little bit to your hand, rub through, and then kind of rake through. And that is going to make sure that your roots still got some love. You're still giving them some TLC, but it's just not as saturated. And that's the same thing that you can do if you have short locks. Just if you have baby locks or real short locks, I don't care if you have to use 2 fingers. Just try your best to protect when you're spraying your hair from it completely saturating, because then it will pretty much unravel. But that's what I suggest. I do not suggest you not using anything just because you're trying to preserve your retwist. Okay, the second step is to seal in that retwist on a daily basis. I am using some kind of combination of an oil to make sure that I seal in the hydration, and I've been using for about a month now ELAINE Essentials. Now, ELAINE Essentials, not only is she a soldier, by the way, I am a veteran, which is why I got my veteran shirt on. This Veteran Rocks Locks, which if you are interested, you can get this shirt or similar in the description box at Locked and Crowned. But enough about my shirt. So I've been using this lately, and I like this ingredients list. What she has in here is castor oil, extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, peppermint oil, and vitamin E. This is a powerhouse combination of oils. So oils have their own benefits, right? And the fact that this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you automatically get 8 different benefits. Plus some of these have more benefits than other. So I like this one just because it has castor oil as the first ingredient, which is known for growth, and then it's followed by olive oil, which is also known for moisturization. So me at 10 months lock, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for moisture and I'm looking for growth, and this has what I need in it. So as far as the fragrance, it smells like peppermint, which is very light, fresh fragrance. Not too overwhelming. It smells really good. It smells like she literally just took a peppermint and dropped it in here. I know that she is making these herself. They are handmade, so they're made with a lot of love. They're made to order. And yeah, this combination is really good. Now, one of the things I have to be honest about, oh, and before I get into that, I like that it has a droplet. Woo. Shoot. Y'all, that sun was doing the most. The sun came back out. So when I was making when I make my formulations and when I was putting coconut oil into it, it was drying my hair out. And if you would like to go back to that video to understand why coconut oil can dry your hair out, then I will post that in the link below as well. But it does not dry my hair out in this combination. I'm always here on my YouTube channel to share with you my experiences and my knowledge and what I've learned. And what I've learned is that I can use coconut oil. It just depends on the combination of oils that you're using with it, as well as where they're at on the ingredients list. So the coconut oil is the it's the fourth ingredient on here. However, I think it's because castor oil, olive oil, and avocado are the first 3 ingredients, which are known for moisturization. I think that just overpowers the ability for coconut oil to dry out my hair. So can I use coconut oil? I learned that I can. I really can. And I'm surprised about that. So this is staying in my regimen. I'm using it. I'm with this. ELAINE Essentials, you got you a lifer, because this is what I'm going to be using from now on, because I still get to use the coconut oil in it, and I like coconut oil. So I get the shine from coconut oil and all the benefits. So before I move on to the third step, she has a 4-ounce bottle and she also has a 2-ounce bottle. The 4 ounce is mine, but I am going to do a giveaway of the 2-ounce bottle. You guys, all you have to do is follow me here on YouTube. Head on over to ELAINE Essentials on Instagram and follow her, and just let me know down below that you would like to win, that you would like to give this a try. If you're looking for a great moisturizing oil that also promotes growth, then let me know. I will come back and let you guys know the winner. So the last step is to, once you have done all of that work, right, once you have hydrated your hair and you have sealed in with the moisture, it has to be protected or all of that work is going to undo itself, right? So what you need is a satin or silk bonnet, scarf, wrap, whatever that you have on hand. This one has been through the ringer, y'all. I've been using this forever, but it works. So this is a satin, at this point it's a rag, but it's satin, and I put it around my edges like so. And that protects my edges. It also lays down my edges, and it makes sure that my cuticles are as smooth as they're going to get. It preserves my retwist. And some people usually like to put their hair up in a ponytail like this. For me, because my hair is still kind of short, it just pulls a little bit too much. It's too much tension, and I don't like that. And yeah, so I just kind of like leave mine loose like this. But then I put, because I sleep wild, an extra protection that is satin lined as well. Looking like somebody's auntie, but your girl locks is protected. And that is pretty much all the steps that I use. Is really simple: hydration, seal, protect. Moisturization with the combination of hydration and the oil together is what you get, and then you protect your hair at nighttime. If you have a silk pillowcase, that will help even further. I did have a silk pillowcase, but because it's so silky, it kept sliding off and it was getting on my nerves, so I went back to the cotton pillowcase. But I do protect my hair at night. That's it. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave that down in the comments box below. And as always, be you, be beautiful, be blessed.
You love me like, you love me like, you love me like, you love me like,